Welcome back, class, to the fifth chapter of Geography, Class 6 NCRT. Major domains of Earth. Major domains means mountains, plains, etc. There are three main components of the environment, which are lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere. Atmosphere, the gaseous layer that surrounds the earth. Lithosphere is the solid portion of earth on which we live, and hydrosphere the area covered by water, and biosphere is the com- biosphere contains all forms of life, which is atmosphere, lithosphere, and hydrosphere. Lithosphere comprises rocks of earth and thin layers of soil. There are two main domains of Earth's surface, the large land mass known as continent, and the second one is huge water body, which is known as ocean basins. Continents. There are seven major continents on Earth: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia, and Antarctica. The greater part of land mass lies in the northern hemisphere. Asia. Asia is the largest continent, and the combined landmass of Europe and Asia is known as Eurasia. Africa is the second largest continent, and it is the only continent through which Tropic of Cancer, Equator, and Tropic of Capricorn passes through it. North America is the third largest continent of world, and there is a link between North America and South America by a narrow strip of land which is known as Isthmus of Panama. Australia is the smallest continent. It is also called island continent because it is surrounded by all over the oceans. Antarctica is permanently covered by with a thick ice sheets. India has a research station named Maitri and Dakshin Gangotri at Antarctica. Hydrosphere, more than 71% of Earth is covered with water. That is why Earth is called blue planet. More than 97% of Earth's water is found in ocean, which is not portable to drink. Oceans on Earth, four major oceans are Pacific Oceans, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and Indian Ocean. The four major oceans: Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, and Arctic Ocean. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean, Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean, Indian Ocean is the third largest and only ocean named after a country, that is India. Arctic Ocean is the fourth one and is located within the Arctic Circle. Atmosphere. The atmosphere protects us from the harmful effects of sun rays. The atmosphere extends up to the height of 1600 kilometer. The atmosphere is divided into five layers. First one is troposphere, second one is stratosphere, third one is mesosphere, fourth one is thermosphere, and the last one is exosphere. Atmosphere is composed mainly of nitrogen and oxygen. Biosphere, the domain of life. The biosphere is the narrow zone of contact between land, water, and air. All the living organisms, including humans, linked to each other and to the biosphere for survival. The organisms in the biosphere may broadly divided into plant kingdom and animal kingdom. Increase in the amount of CO2 leads to the increase in the global temperature. This term is known as global warming. The earth is the only planet where human beings find three life sustaining elements: land, water, and air. There are seven major continents. These are separated by large water bodies. Let us discuss about seven continents. First one is Asia. Here we have some all Asian countries: Russia, Kazakhstan, Turkey, Mongolia, China, India, Saudi Arabia, Japan, Philippines, Maldives, Sri Lanka, North and South Korea, Indonesia, Malaysia. All these are Asian countries. The largest continent on earth is Asia. Asia is also the most populous continent on earth, that is home to approximately 60% of world's population as of 2019 data. Asian continent occupies approximately 30% of land of earth's total land area. To the south of the Asian continent lies south of the Asian continent lies Indian Ocean. To the east we have Pacific Ocean, and to the north we have Arctic Ocean. Asia and Africa are separated by Suez Canal. Asia and Europe are separated by Black Sea and Caspian Sea. Second largest continent is Africa. Here we have African countries: Egypt, Libya, Algeria, Mauritania, Mali, Niger, Sudan. Here we have South Africa, Madagascar, Seychelles, Mauritius, Reunion, Madagascar, Comoros. These five countries are also known as vanilla countries. Second largest continent on earth, Africa covers 20% of earth's total land area. Second most populous country on earth, continent on earth, a large part of Africa lies in the northern hemisphere. Equator, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn passes through Africa. It holds distinction of only continent having all three latitudes passing through it. World's longest river, Nile River, is in Africa. It has two main tributaries and passes through 11 countries. It flows from Tanzania, located in south of Africa, and flows till Egypt, located in the north of Africa. Here we have Egypt and Tanzania, and you can see the river. This is the Nile River. The largest hot desert on earth is Sahara Desert, which is located in Africa. It extends from Atlantic Ocean in west to the Red Sea located in east. The Sahara Desert covers a large part of African continent. Mediterranean Sea lies to the north of the Sahara Desert. This is Mediterranean Sea. Third continent is Europe. European countries are some portion of Russia is also present in Europe. Ukraine, Poland, Germany, France, Iceland, Norway, Sweden, Finland, UK, Spain, Italy. These all are African countries. Here we have Black Sea, Mediterranean Sea, here Baltic Sea, North Sea, Norwegian Sea, Caspian Sea. Europe is the sixth largest continent of Earth, occupying 2% of surface of Earth. Russia is the largest country in the European continent. Western civilization was born in Europe. Atlantic currents have biggest influence on European continent. To the south of the Europe lies Atlantic Ocean. North to the north lies Arctic Ocean. To the west of the Europe lies Atlantic Ocean. Fourth continent is North America. Countries Greenland, Canada, UK, Mexico. Canada, UK, Mexico, Greenland. These are North American countries. North America is the third largest continent in the world. The continent lies completely in the northwestern hemisphere. Isthmus of Panama is a narrow strip links North America and South America. This continent is surrounded by three oceans and they are Atlantic, Pacific and Arctic Ocean. Fifth continent is South America. South American countries are Brazil, Venezuela, Colombia, Ecuador, Peru, Bolivia, Chile, Argentina, Paraguay, Uruguay, French Guiana, Suriname, Guyana. Brazil is the largest country in the South America. There are 12 sovereign states in the South America. This continent is located in southern hemisphere. South America is the fourth largest continent. Pacific Ocean is located to the west of the South America. To the east of the South America is Atlantic Ocean. Brazil is most populous country in South America. The Andes mountain is the world longest above water mountain range located in South America. The world's largest river is Amazon River located in the South America. Sixth continent is Australia. Western Australia, Northern Territory, Southern Australia, Queensland, North South, New South Wales, Victoria, Tasmania. Here we have Tasman Sea. To the south of the Australia, Indian Ocean, northwest also Indian Ocean. To the northeast we have Coral Sea. Australia is the smallest continent that lies entirely in southern hemisphere. It's surrounded on all sides by oceans and seas. That's why it is also called island continent. The last continent is Antarctica. Antarctica, which is present at South Pole. Antarctica is huge continent and lies completely in the southern hemisphere. The South Pole lies in the South Polar region, almost at the center of this continent and permanently covered with thick ice sheets. This is the South Pole which is present at the center of the Antarctica. So friends, we have completed our fifth chapter of 6th class Geography NCERT, the major domains of Earth. Thank you.